Wednesday. Hey, you're halfway through the week and we're that much closer to spring break. I'm super excited. Today we're going to start math by checking your morning work, so please get that in front of you. If you need to pause me, do it. Come right back. We are going to check day 3. So the first one asks you to make the statement true. You have 5/10 and 3/6. I really hope you were able to see that 5/10 is the same as 1/2. So if you used your benchmarks, you could tell half of 10 is 5, so 5/10 is half. What about 3/6? What's half of 6? 3. So 3/6 is also a half. So if we have a half on this side and a half on this side, then we know they are equal. Okay, so you should have had the equal sign there. 342 divided by 6. Like I always tell you, you use whatever strategy works for you. I'm going to use standard algorithm. So I have to look. If I count by 6s, I can't get to 3, but I can get close to 34. And if I count by 6s, okay, I can do 5 times will get me 30. So 5 times 6 is 30. I'm going to subtract and I get 4. 4 is smaller than 6, so I'm going to go ahead and bring down my 2. And this is a math fact. Okay, if I count by 6s, 7 times I'm going to get to 42. Because 7 times 6 is 42, so when I subtract I get 0. 0 is definitely smaller, so your quotient is 57. Write the decimal, 32 hundredths. So remember decimal point first, 32 hundredths. Same thing as the fraction, just a different way to write it. The Rossi family ate 1/3 of a cheese pizza and 2/3 of a vegetarian pizza. How much total pizza did the Rossi family eat? Total amount of pizza. So they ate 1/3 out of a cheese pizza and then 2/3 out of a vegetarian pizza. So we're going to add, subtract, multiply, or divide to figure out how much they ate altogether. We're going to add. So 1/3 plus 2/3 equals 3/3 or 1 whole pizza. So you should have 1 whole as your final answer. All right, that's it for morning work. I hope you're doing well. Please, again, let me know if you have any questions. So math class today, again, same thing as yesterday. You're going to spend time practicing for your assessment tomorrow. All right, so pick some different problems today to work in your math book. It's adding and subtracting mixed numbers and fractions. You're going to have to recognize some benchmarks and then also be able to decompose fractions. Now, be careful because in your math book you have some pages that talk about how to regroup. So if we have a problem like this, 5 and 1/3 minus 2 and 2/3, can you subtract 1/3 minus 2/3? No. Skip those pages. I'm not sure what pages they are, but if you see problems like that, just say, oh, Mrs. Dunlap doesn't want me to do that. And just don't worry about that. That is not part of our learning target. You'll learn how to do that next year in 5th grade. Okay? So just regular adding, subtracting mixed numbers, no borrowing, no regrouping necessary for the subtraction. All right, but if you have any questions, just let me know. That's all I have for you today. See you in small group and be practicing for your test on Thursday. I love you. Bye.